name's Amarjit Sahota. I'm the founder of Ecovia Intelligence. We've just hosted our 16th European edition of the Sustainable Cosmetic Summit. This year, we focused on blue beauty, green materials, and sustainability schemes. For me, there were three major takeaways from this year's edition. The first one was green messaging. We saw that more and more consumers want to buy sustainable products. They want to buy products which are better for the environment. However, the brands in this space, like Weleda, are under-emphasizing their green actions. They're focusing on functionality for their products, but they're not communicating what they are doing in terms of organic production, biodynamic farming, climate change, etc. And that leads to a question: how do we market these sustainable cosmetics if consumers want green products, but the brands are not messaging that? The second issue for me, the key takeaway, was regulations. The European Union is taking a lead in terms of sustainability. They're introducing the EU deforestation regulation. They're introducing the EU Green Claims Directive, and they're having forced labour directive, due diligence, corporate social responsibility, etc. Now, is this going to be the way forward, where the sustainability discussion will be about following regulations and compliance? And what impact will that have on creativity? And thirdly, we had a keynote from Professor Dr. Michael Brandgort, and he said the cosmetics industry is too much preoccupied with guilt management. He said the industry should not be thinking about reducing environmental impacts, but we should think about creating products which make consumers feel great. And he thinks the way forward is having positive impacts. So that leads to the question: how can we change the mindset of the industry that we move away from reducing impacts for sustainability, but creating products which are great for the environment and great for human health? And that's something that we want to explore more in upcoming editions. We hope to see you there.